excited about the response to Fear. 2023 and 2024 बहुत अच्छे साल रहे मेरे लिए. The first one that I did was Razakar, very rustic role, Yakshini, Disney Hotstar पे जो आई थी. Then there was Peter App with Prabhu Deva sir, Fear. After this will be Gajana and 3 more films. So I'm super excited. Theatre lo వెళ్ళి చూడండి, ఫ్యామిలీతో చూడండి. ఇది ఒక మంచి థ్రిల్లర్ ఉంది. You understand? Can you? No. But you understand what I'm trying to say?
Yeah, that I get it.
You know, మన ఫిల్మ్ సపోర్ట్ చేయండి. Hi everyone, this is Vedika here. Stay tuned to Bol Bollywood and watch out for more stuff.
So, hello Vedika, welcome to our channel.
Thank you.
How have you been lately?
Very good, very excited about the response to Fear and also 2023 and 2024 बहुत अच्छे साल रहे मेरे लिए. I did 4 to 5 films every year and I had like 3 releases before now Fear. So Fear is going to be the 4th release. The first one that I did was Razakar. It was a period film, very rustic role. And I played this village warrior, you know, in it with a very unique characterization. Then came Yakshini, Disney Hotstar पे जो आई थी.
That was amazing.
Thank you. So, you know, Arka Media ने produce किया, the makers who made Bahubali. So it was a very good team.
Yeah.
And it was a very challenging role, a socio-fantasy subject, something which I've never done before. I did action, dance, everything in that. So it was a very fulfilling role for me. Then there was Peter App with Prabhu Deva sir, which was a lot of fun. It was a good relief from all the hectic, you know, performance, crazy shoots. And but इसमें भी you know dance वगैरह था तो you know काफी मेहनत करनी पड़ी. And obviously you're dancing with a legend of dance, so
But obvious.
you know I had to like really deliberately have such jitters. Yeah, obviously like, you know इसलिए तो I rehearse so much. इतनी ज़्यादा रिहर्सल की कि मुझे इंजरी ऑलमोस्ट हो गया.
अरे मैं यही पूछने वाली थी, आपको कोई डांसर इंजरी हुई?
या टोटली, बिकॉज ये राइट नी में ना, थिंक अबाउट इट, राइट नी के ऊपर ऑन द थाई. सो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा वो मसल कुछ ट्विच हुआ था, पता नहीं क्या, बिकॉज देयर वाज अ किकिंग मूवमेंट एंड मैंने विदाउट डूइंग प्रॉपर वार्म अप आई किक्ड एंड डिड द स्टेप्स. सो यू नो बहुत रिलीज स्प्रे मैंने यूज़ किए, बहुत कॉम्बी फ्लैम एंड ज़ीरोडॉल SP एंड हॉट वाटर बैग.
Now you remember the medicines?
Yeah, because I was just trying to like, you know, I had to use a combination of things to make sure that when I'm dancing, I don't feel a thing.
Okay.
So I had to take so many to make sure I don't feel anything. Otherwise, मैं कैसे कर पाती हूँ ना? Then your performance gets affected.
And being a busy person, you have to actually, मतलब projects तो होंगे, so you have to obviously,
Exactly. Next also I was shooting, I was dubbing, or you know, with Prabhudeva sir, like you don't want him to do one more take because of you.
Yeah.
So I was a little like, you know, yes, I have to rehearse, and I over rehearsed.
So this was your on screen, like, you know, shoot के दौरान कुछ होता है उस हिसाब से, but off screen, how has it been with these legends to work with?
Very comfortable, very interesting, because you know, you get to learn so much from them. He's very effortless, like, you know, you can't even, he plays chess during breaks. Yeah, during breaks and during in between shots, he plays chess with his staff. So he's very chilled while I'm like going through my dialogues and, you know, over yeah, over rehearsing, you know. But he is like, yeah, I just went through my dialogue once in the vanity van, and yeah, that's enough. So he's very effortless, you know. He is truly always prepared, even without preparation.
Although you named your projects thoroughly, like 23, 24, but I want to ask you particularly now that it's December. So how has 2024 been to you?
2024 has been fantastic. It's been like a gift from the Almighty, and I'm very grateful for it because I got to dabble with so many different characters, so many different roles, subjects, genres, teams, such wonderful teams. Like I said, Razakar, then Yakshini, Peter App, Fear. After this will be Gajana and 3 more films. So I'm super excited. 2025, 2023 was amazing. I was busy shooting. 2024 was dubbing, post-production, releases and shooting. 2025 is gonna be hopefully 2023 and 2024 into 10 times, hopefully.
We keep it infinite times.
Infinite time, yes, and ever learning, ever growing.
Because we see whenever you post anything, like,
Follow me on Insta.
yeah,
Oh,
whenever you,
follow you back there.
it will be great. So whenever you post something, there are tons of comments already, and audience is excited. Okay, something new is coming from Vedika. Vedika is doing this now. Fear jab aaya, fear, like looking at the poster only, it is like, okay, it's scary, it's horrifying, it's a terrible thing, and then you mention that it's based on real
True events, yeah.
So how has it been for you to shoot for that particular project?
Um, Very intense because the role was very demanding. But I love it, you know. I love that I'm being given such a wonderful role, and it shows me God selected me to do these roles, and you know, these kind of intense roles are coming my way. So in South, like, you know, in the beginning, I began with like just your normal running around the trees, you know, roles. I'm not saying they don't require performance, they do, but then there are also films like Pardesi that I did, then Shivalinga, Kanchana, uh, so many other movies, you know, Kavya Talevan, and Fear, Yakshani now, Razakar. They are far more demanding. And luckily, whenever there is a requirement for a performance oriented actor, you know, I'm happy and blessed that, you know, my name somewhere appears on the horizon there and in the considerations. So I'm really happy. I don't know how I got here, but I just concentrated on my work and focused. That's it. You know, I'm just very, very blessed. I feel very blessed. Yeah.
All right. So as we see that you've done various types of roles, and more, as you say, it is demanding. So which role has been a tougher one, I would say, or the toughest one for you?
Which role has been the toughest? I think Yakshani was really tough.
I knew it. You would say that.
Yeah. Because, you know, in the show, the audience knows her intention.
Yeah.
So I have to act
According
to that.
Yeah.
If the audience didn't know that, then I can just pretend to be innocent, this, that. Playing innocent is very easy. But when the audience and you are aware of the situation,
Yeah.
so I need to, while pretending innocent with the other characters, I need to connect with the audience and include them in my mottos.
Yeah.
So that required a lot of prep. And it's a web show, 6 episodes. It's a lot of like what happened, why was she cursed, what is she doing on earth, how is she going to take the revenge, what are her powers, you know, all that. And plus be the seductress, be like this very beautiful, like goddess kind of a angel being, you know, that was so difficult.
Yeah.
You know, to always look that, have that little bit of a edge to you.
Yeah.
You know, that sort of sensuality to your character. Because, I mean, I can't do that constantly. And she had to be both and perform and do action and do dance and be there.
Prepared for this role?
I see, mentally I prepared, meaning I prepared in actions, physically and mentally, both.
Yeah.
Because I had to work on it. I asked them the complete script. I said, please send me final script. I need to work on it before I come to set. Because if you just come on set and you're like, oh, today I want to be Yakshani. So what is the dialogue? Acha, acha. I just have to cry. I just have to be sad. I just have to be angry. I just have to take revenge. It's one dimensional that I can do very easily, but it's not going to come from a place of really like conviction. You know, I cannot convince the audience that this is natural, that this is coming from within. It'll just be very superficial, a lot of projection, because I've not worked on it. So once you work on it, you spend a lot of time understanding your character and bringing your personal emotions, and you know, kind of merging the two, the character and your experiences, and then bringing out what is demanded from the character on screen, what is the character going through, but using your emotions, your experiences, your point of view. You know, so that is something which is extremely challenging. You know, Yakshani was like that. The audience knew. So my expressions were like, you know, the audience has to know when I'm doing I'm scheming something, I'm behind something, the audience should see that in me. But in front of the other actor, I need to be, very convincing that I have no other intentions and stuff. So to play between them both now was very tough. Yeah.
So, talking about this character, interesting one now. If you had to live a character's life, one of yours, which one would it be?
Oh God, huh? Too much drama in my characters' lives. I mean, there's already a lot of drama in mine. I'm an overthinker.
Oh, same.
Yeah. What was it? What's your star sign?
Taurus.
Taurus. Oh, nice. No, Taurus, they have a mind of their own, huh?
We
And
have
the
a world
confidence
of our own.
level also. Confidence level also is hats off. Yeah, they're very intelligent. Taurus women are so intelligent. I'm a Piscean, so I'm an overthinker. I'm an empath. I feel so much for animals, women. I see so there's lots of drama already in my life. So I would not like to be any of my characters. Okay, and I think that's a very good question. That's an excellent question because it's so unique. Maybe I should play a character
And
I should design a character, the kind of person I would want to be, and then play that role.
done. Next project, we'll ask again.
Yeah, totally. Totally.
All right. So, lastly, I would like to ask you, your audience is again waiting for some new surprise after this. So, what do you have to share to them?
Well, new surprises is one more release after Fear. First, go watch Fear. That is the most important thing. Watch the trailer, share it with your family and friends. Let me know what you think on social media, on Instagram, my, messages, or Twitter. Tag me. Let me know what you think. And what else? What is the question?
Audience message.
Audience messages is only go watch it in theaters. I think Telugu it's releasing widely. So I would like to say that theater lo వెళ్ళి చూడండి ఫ్యామిలీతో చూడండి ఇది ఒక మంచి థ్రిల్లర్ ఉంది యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ థింగ్ యూ నో బట్ యూ అండర్స్టాండ్ వాట్ ఐమ్ ట్రైయింగ్ టు సే
Yeah, that I get it.
అండ్ మన ఫిల్మ్ సపోర్ట్ చేయండి అండ్ మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్తో షేర్ చేయండి అండ్ వాచ్ అవుట్ ఫర్ 2025. It's also going to be a very
Interesting.
this year is all about fear and yakshini and scaring or getting scared. Next year is going to be very fearless. Next year my characters are damn like fear already.
All right. Thank you so much, Vedika. Great chatting with you.
Same here. So lovely chatting with you. And I'll watch out for this on Bollywood, whole Bollywood.